Good morning, YouTube. Sam Graham here, and today I'm going to be going over the random class. Essentially, any class that you want to learn more information about, you could always just Google, let's see, class, random Java, and click on the first thing, and it'll probably take you to this page, and there's a lot of information you can learn. But since you're in this video, I'm assuming you want someone to teach you, so let's get started. I'm going to create a while loop so you can see multiple random numbers. So I'm going to start it at 0, and let's see, wow, counter, let's just say less than equal to 10. I want to do this, and counter, plus, okay, oh. Alright, so, here's my while loop, and I'm going to create a random number inside it. Before I create a random number, to use this random class, I'm going to have to create an object. So to do that, I type in random, the class name, and then I create an object, whatever I want. Oops. Whatever I want to name it right here, but I'm just going to name it rand for convenience, and then equals new random, and then you need the parentheses. Essentially, you need the class name without parentheses and the class name with parentheses afterwards. You don't have to have it just like that every time, but for now, do it just like that. Okay, in order to create a random number, I'm going to have to store it into an integer or a double or whatever, but since I wanted just a whole numbers, I'm going to use integer, and I'll name it random number equals. Okay, now just like we had input from like a scanner class, I'm going to be using random the same way as an object-oriented programming. So I type rand dot next int, since we're getting an integer, and whatever random number I want, like up to like 7 or 8, I'll just put it up here. But for now, let's just do 3 so you can see a simple output. So let's see, a random number. Okay, now save that. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know. Here we go, compile, run. Okay, so we just got 10 random numbers, but notice how we don't see any 3s and we see about 4 zeros. That's because Java and most programming languages like to start counting at 0. So this is 3 different random numbers, but starting at 0, so 0 to 2. In order, if you want to get 1 to 3, you have to do plus 1 right in front of it. And I'll show you what comes out right now. Okay, so that's a random number, 1, 2, 3. If I wanted bigger ones, I could just, I don't know, just for fun. Okay, so 10 random numbers between 1 and 100. So that's essentially all you need to know about random numbers. And if you want to know anything else, you could always just check out this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out my next video where I'm going to be talking about the math class. Alright, bye guys.